Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by reducing variables. Charge both AirPods and the case to about half, and make sure your iPhone's software and Bluetooth are current. Once done, place AirPods in the case, close the lid for 30 seconds, then open and press the case setup button for 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber then white. This factory-ish reset clears pairing data that commonly corrupts the mic routing. Make sure to repair immediately to test microphone behavior before further steps. Next, you'll address physical obstructions and isolate the problem. Carefully inspect the external mic ports and speaker meshes on each stem for earwax or lint. You're looking for visible blockage or damage. Use a dry, soft-bristled brush, then a lightly dampened 70% isopropyl Q-tip. Never pour liquid in, just gentle swipes. After cleaning, repair and run voice memos and a phone call, testing left and right individually to determine if the mic hardware or software still routes incorrectly before proceeding to advanced fixes. Now complete the process by changing software routing and validating results. Go to Bluetooth settings, disable automatic ear detection, and manually set microphone to left or right to see if one stem consistently works. If manual routing fixes it, that confirms software handoff issues. Re-enable detection and test again. If the problem persists, test with another phone or computer to rule out host Bluetooth. When all else fails, contact Apple support or seek a single AirPod replacement. Hardware failure is often the only remaining cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.